In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find 18 plus content on Discord. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This feature is intended only for adults and must be used in line with Discord's community guidelines and terms of service. Let's walk through how to enable access to age-restricted commands from apps in your Discord direct messages. Start by opening Discord on your preferred platform desktop, browser, or mobile, and make sure you are signed in. Next, head to User Settings. On desktop, you will find a small gear icon near your username on mobile. Tap your profile picture to open Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the section called Content and Social. This is where Discord groups options related to what you can see and how content behaves in your account. Inside that section, find the toggle labeled Allow Access to Age-Restricted Commands from Apps and Direct Messages. And switch it on. Turning this on does one specific thing. It allows authorized apps and bots to run commands that are flagged as 18F inside your DMs. It does not unlock every kind of explicit content, and it doesn't override app permissions. You are still in control of which apps you authorize, and those apps must follow Discord's rules. Think of it as telling Discord, it's okay for approved apps to show me their 18 plus command responses in private messages, rather than opening a door to everything on the platform. If you don't see this toggle, there are a couple of common reasons. First, make sure your Discord app is fully updated. Older versions might not display the latest settings. Second, check whether you are using a managed device or a restricted network, such as at school or work. Those environments can hide or lock certain settings, and you may need to use your own device or a non-restricted network to access them. It's also important to know that this setting is separate from server channels. Access to specific age-restricted channels on servers depends on how the server is configured. The server owner must label channels properly, and you may be asked to confirm your age within that server before you can view them. Enabling the 500 setting won't bypass those server-level controls. A quick safety note, only authorize apps you trust. Review what permissions they request. And remember that you can return to this setting anytime to turn it off. Stay within community guidelines and report anything that seems unsafe or against the rules. That's it. Thanks for watching.